besides face yoga, which is a natural way to lift your face, I love healthy food, and specifically raw vegan. There are different diets out there. Somebody goes just for vegan, somebody for vegetarian. There are a lot of people, they're talking about meat at the moment. It does them well. Well, it doesn't work for me, and I already tried different diets, and this diet saved my life. So today I want to share one recipe that I really enjoy making it, and it doesn't include a lot of time. Every week I use this recipe, and sometimes 2 times a week, because it's so fast and it's rich in minerals and vitamins, and I just love it, and it's simple and fast to make, and that is what it's all about. So the main ingredient is the cauliflower. So this is for 2 people, or if you want to, you can save it in the refrigerator and eat it later. Coriander, onion, red onion, white onion, doesn't matter. Chili pepper, cucumber, red pepper, tomatoes. You can add 4 tomatoes, that's optional. You can add also garlic if you wish, or parsley, or any other spice, or herb. I prefer just very simple, like pepper and salt. I use Celtic salt. And you can also add olive oil. This time I'm not going to add olive oil. And now I'm going to cut everything nicely, put it in a bowl, and you can follow the process. Coriander, and I'm going to add that into the bowl. Tomatoes, I'm cutting tomatoes small. Use this knife, which is better for the tomato. Those small little blocks, that's how you cut it. Chili pepper, very small slices, pieces. Add as much you prefer. If you like it hotter, then you can use more. I'm not strict with recipes. I love to improvise, and it always depends what I have in the kitchen. As long as those veggies can be combined nicely together. Got the onion or cucumber, also cut it into blocks. Red pepper, also small slices, nicely. This, I don't know about you, but when I see all of these colors, I just enjoy so much in the colors, in the smell, texture. Makes me happy and nourished, and my body just loves it. The flour. And this goes into the food processor, which is behind me, for the machine to process it. So you see, it needs to look like a rice. I like Celtic salt because it's rich in minerals. All the other salts can be processed. Taste of this salt. The salt, the best salt is when it's wet, and you know it's real salt because it has ingredients. Some pepper, and if you prefer, you can add some garlic. You can add more chili. You can add olive oil. You can add some other spices, whatever you like. Just mix it, and it smells delicious. So fresh, served at a nice summer salad, you may say. But this is my meal. Something that's just a salad. For me, it's a perfect meal. Enjoy!